Soon, Sir GM, no, for the outage, outages you mentioned. No? Uh, yeah, we can discuss in details we can discuss the specifics later when we will be able to visit your office. No? Tayo pupunta doon sa Marcos. Sige, oo. But for now, I'll just mention that I've monitored, there were two incidents na there is a common portion with Magangon, Aurora Magangon yung linya yun na two were hit by lightning, and then the other may snake intrusion, naglambitin. So both those incidents apektuhan ng Aurora Calamba. And the challenge din sa linya yung isa mahaba, starting from Aurora, Lamba, and then there's a future project on looping you to Polanco. So that's a future project of our engineering. So pag mahaba yun, yung challenge doon is yung paghanap ng saan yung location ng fault. So nagpapatrolya kaya matagal ibalik din kung minsan, but I hope our district office was able to inform you sa causes ng tripping. Anyway, as I said, we'll discuss the specifics para maliwanagan kayo. Just to assure your member consumers na sa case of yung sa Luzon, Visayas, so I hope they will be assured on that. And then same challenge being a long line, and then heavily loaded. So just like water pressure na pag mahaba yung line, and then maraming nakakabit. So mababa na yung pressure, So, but we are not negligent on this because we tried to raise our sending voltage. So more than the nominal already, from 60 naging umaabot natin ng more than 70 kV. And then we monitor, we did install also capacitor banks, Banyadero, Villaflor. So it's just that yung voltage profile ng pag mahaba yung linya, even though we provide compensation, pag ganun, mataas yung sending namin, sa gitna, bumababa, and then at the portion na yung lagyan namin ng cap band, so nakaka-recover siya. So we monitor that the letter you sent us na may mababang voltage, we're just at the threshold of the nominal, yung sa high side, and you sent us a letter na more below 0.95 per unit yung secondary. So the challenge there is we have customers near also to Aurora, so kung masyado namin pataasan yung sending namin kung magpo-complain ng so yung overvoltage naman sa malapit. So it's a very challenging condition, but we just would like to strike a balance between the concern. We'll discuss it also with our customers na malapit na how much they can tolerate. And then so we did a simulation na pwede pa namin may taas yung sending without resulting overvoltage so malapit na customers, and then we can somehow increase our delivery voltage yung mga metering points na bitinggit niya na may problema. So we can attain yung nominal or more than nominal not nominal, the normal voltage doon sa binanggit na substation. But it can of course collaborate. That's why I appreciate this engagement. At the end ng customers ninyo, we can provide nominal voltage by helping us also, of course, adjusting your transformer tab. So, yun, pinapasimulate ko rin sa kasamahan ko na what should be the recommended tabs ninyo. So when we visit your office, we can discuss how we can collaborate to mga issues. I hope I've answered your concerns, sir.
Thank you for that, sir. Actually, our yung mga distribution transformer namin ngayon, nasa top setting na yung tap changing niya para lang ma-correct namin or maibigay namin yung talagang nominal voltage doon sa mga member consumer namin. Pero there was time still na bumababa pa rin. Especially nung what happened nung nagka-problema tayo last May 15 na in order to facilitate na disaging na hindi masasag yung wire natin doon, I was informed na hindi nila pinaka-under yung capacitor. So, especially during the time, we're having the problem of power interruption, mas lumala pa yung voltahe namin kasi mababa na. And we know for the fact na as much as our consumers are really affected with the low voltage, even us also are affected because hindi rin magpapangsyon yung mga meters namin in 100% kasi mababa yung voltahe. So, yun sir, siguro lang, nakapunta din sila sir doon sa Malsito eh. If you remember sir, one of our concern during our meeting is we know for the fact that our Aurora Calamba line is really aging infrastructure already. So one of my questions during that time is what are the plans of NCCP in order to, it could be rehab or make a new line for Aurora to Calamba because considering that this